If you own a website, if you are a content creator, or you're basically someone who is looking for a way to monetize traffic online, I want to introduce you to this website, which is called Admaven. Admaven is a great platform that allows you to actually monetize traffic. I'm talking about from platforms like YouTube, from TikTok, whatever social media platform you might be using. If you're looking for a great way to actually monetize that traffic, then you need to try Admaven. It's a great way for you to make some extra income if you're looking for a way of making money online that is not just simply limited to what type of products you're selling, but actually using the traffic that you get on the different platforms on your website or your social media networks. You can actually use that traffic and start getting some income. Let me show you how. So the name of this website is Admaven, and it's basically a website where partners and publishers can come and use the website. If you're an advertiser, obviously, maybe you've got some products and some services that you want to advertise. By you signing up on this website, the website will take your adverts and put them on different places where your audience, your ideal audience, may be able to interact, see your adverts, and potentially buy your products and services. But also, if you're a publisher is basically someone who has got access to traffic, or maybe you've got a website and lots of people come there. You also can sign up as a publisher and you can earn income from the traffic that you are drawing to your social media or you're drawing to your website. So that's what Admaven does. And as we scroll down on the website, we see the different attributes of the website. The first one being that you'll be able to monetize every single user who comes to your social media or comes to your website. They've got global coverage. I've worked with some other ad networks before, and some of them are limited to some specific countries, but this one has got global coverage. So regardless of which country you're in, this is going to work for you. It's an adaptive platform, meaning that it's always growing. They're always getting new campaigns, and they're always looking for better ways in which the advertisers can get a better return on investment. And then the best part is the dedicated support. For every single time I've tried to create something on the platform, I've always been receiving some quick support. And I'm going to show you how to actually get access to that support. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click here where it says sign up, and then I'm going to click on publishers so that I sign up as a publisher. And then all you just simply need to do is fill in your information here. That's your name, your email, your password. I'll repeat your password. Then here it's going to ask you for your messenger type. As you can see, it's optional. There are different options here. You can chat with them on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram. This is just basically a way in which you can communicate with them, especially when you've got maybe some problems. And then what traffic do you want to monetize? This is where you need to choose what type of traffic you have. In most cases, most of the people are going to be people who have got traffic from Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms. Or if you actually are working with an ad network or you represent an ad network, you're going to click on the first option. But most of us are going to be clicking on the second option here. And then as you can see, this pops up then asking for your channel link. You just simply take your social media profile link and then you paste it here. Then next you click on I agree to Admaven's terms of use. And then I'm not a robot. And then you click on the sign up. But because I'm already a member, I'm just going to click on log in. Once you are logged in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Firstly, it's going to show you your profits from yesterday, this month, and then the last month. So whenever you make money on the platform, all the details are going to appear here. That's on your main dashboard. And then to the left are some other tools that you also can use. The next one that's there is going to be the statistics. This is where you're going to be getting stats for every type of ad that you create. And I'm just going to be showing you that shortly. And then there's sites and placements. This is basically where you're going to be creating the different types of placements or ads that you can promote. I'm going to come to that. That's where I'm going to focus on mostly in this video. But then the next part is payment details. And so payment details is basically where you add on your details firstly, about who you are, your address, etc. And then you'll be able to choose which payment method you want to be paid with. Now, standard payment methods are just usually PayPal or bank account. But then when you talk to your account manager, which we'll also talk about right now, you can actually get more options. And as you can see, there's Bitcoin, there's Pioneer, there's Web Money, and then there's Capitalist there. And then there is referral link. Referral link simply means that you actually can earn a commission. As you can see here, it's a 5% commission for telling other people about this platform. And what I love about this is that it's 5% for the lifetime of whoever you refer to will use this platform. And so the other great part is that the 5% is not from their income, but it's 5% that the company, Admaven, actually pays you. So that might be a great incentive for you to actually tell other people about the platform. You just simply come here and then copy to clipboard. And as simple as that, you just share it with a friend or on your social media and get other people to come here and sign up on this platform. And then you're going to be earning 5% of whatever income they make using the platform, which is also a great opportunity for me to say that if you want to sign up for Admaven, kindly use the link that you'll see in the description of this video, because I'd love to get that 5% to help me to be able to create more free content like this that brings value and help to you, showing you different ways of earning income online. The other part that you notice here at the bottom is where it says account manager. And currently this is the account manager that I have been given. Every person who signs up gets given a different account manager. And basically this is someone that you can reach out to and ask for help whenever you get stuck. This is possibly the best feature of this platform, why I love it so much. You can just simply reach out to them and ask different questions. You can chat with them, or you can actually schedule maybe like a Skype call or even a normal call, and they'll talk to you and walk you through how you can use the platform better. They'll show you the best ads that you can run and basically how to use the platform so that you can be earning more money. And then back where we started, right here at the top, it says sites and placements. You're going to click on that. And this is where you are going to be able to choose what type of way that you want to monetize either your website or you want to monetize the traffic that you have. I'm just going to click here where it says new ad placement. And then it's going to pop up like this and then ask me, please select the site for which you wish to open the new placement. So is it going to be a referral or it's going to be content lockers? I'm going to just say my content lockers. And then these are the different type of ad formats that you can use. There's pop-up, there's click push, there's web push notifications, and then there's content locker. I'm going to talk about these other three in another video, but for today, I just want to focus on this one, which is called content locker. I'm going to click on get code. And then I'm just going to give it a few seconds just to load up so that it can create the ad placement for me. Then as you can see, a new placement has been created for me. It's this one at the top. And then if I want to configure it, I just click on configure there. And then this is where I'm going to add details. Firstly, it's going to ask me what's the destination URL. For example, I've got a training where I show people how to do affiliate marketing. I'm just going to copy the link quickly, and I'm just going to paste the link there. Destination URL simply means where you want people to end up. Then the next thing is logged page title. Here you're simply going to give an instruction so that people know what's happening on this page. I can say something like complete task to get access. And then where it says background image, you can choose whether you want to or not. You can actually have a background here, like maybe it's your logo or something. You just simply put the URL to where it can take the background image. But as you can see, it's optional. It's not a forced matter whether you want to do it or not. And then the last part there is source name. As you can see, it says a unique link name will be used for tracking and reporting breakdowns. I can choose to change this, or I'll just leave it the way that it is. I'm just going to click on create link. Now, as you can see next, this link actually just pops up, and then I can copy it to my clipboard. And then this is what I'm going to be using and sharing. And when people click on this, in order to get access to whatever I promise to give them access to, I will then start earning some money from those clicks. Now, I also do need to mention that the first time you do this, it takes about 15 to about 20 minutes for it to do what's called propagation. In other words, because you are a first-time user, they need to build the system in the back end. So it might take you about 20 minutes for this link to appear. After about 20 minutes, you can just come back here and you'll be able to get access to your link. But every single time afterwards, you'll be able to get access to the link immediately. Now, when I take that link and then I share it anyway, let's say maybe I share it on my Twitter, on my TikTok, on my Instagram, and basically I'm telling people to click the link. to gain access to whatever it is that I'm promising. In my case, I'm promising them my affiliate marketing training. Once they click on that link, this is what they see first before they get access to the training. Says complete task to gain access. To reach the target page, complete the following steps. Read suggested articles, right? So all they have to do is just click there. And as you can see, another page pops up here. And basically, these are different adverts, different companies that are just advertising different stuff. And they're doing it through these banners. As you can see, they're sponsored links. But now, when I come back to that page, you'll notice that this page has now opened up. This is what I was promising people that they will gain access to, right? So they don't necessarily have to read all the articles and everything, but they are just getting exposed to the different adverts. And companies actually pay us on this platform, Admaven, for this whole process to occur. So that's what you call a link locker, where your link is locked up behind a task that they need to do. Once they complete the task, they then get access to whatever it is that you are promoting. And now, the more traffic you get to your links, you then can come and check all the details, like in terms of like how much traffic you're actually getting and on which ad campaign. You'll be able to see that right here in the statistics section. But because this is a new account that I just created for demo purposes of this video, I can't show you much stats right now. But basically, you'll be able to see all the stats happening here. And then in terms of how much you actually will be earning for running your ads on this platform, it mainly depends on your location. Because, for example, I'm currently in South Africa. People who are based in South Africa don't necessarily get exposed to the same adverts as people who are maybe in America or in the UK and other parts of the world. So there are advertisers who are targeting people who are in those other countries as compared to South Africa. So there will always be adverts regardless of which location you are, but there are different types of advertisers. Meaning that in some locations you might find out that it pays more if you're getting traffic from certain locations as compared to some other locations. And to get more details about payments, you just simply click back there where it says payment details and history. And you can just go through the different details here, but I'd recommend that you just click here where you can see the different ways that you can get paid and the minimum payment requirements. In other words, you need to have a minimum of like $5 for PayPal, and these are the different fees for the other platforms. Then payments are processed during the first week of the month. And if these days fall on a weekend, look out for the nearest business day. So once again, if you want to sign up for Admaven, make sure that you use the link that is in the description below. And also leave me a comment in the comment section below if you've got any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. And leave me a comment and let me know if you're going to be monetizing your traffic. Are you going to be monetizing traffic from social media, or you're going to be monetizing your own website? Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.